Of the church at the start. Here they come. And they're off in pacing, and Dream and Power gets the call. To the outside, Midnight Rain. To the inside, slipping through the pylon, Mystical Lady. To the outside, ML Cool Girl is there in third, followed by It's a Prayer. And back to the inside, Charlie Superman is there in fifth. To the outside, MR Captain Treacherous is there in sixth. And back facing again after a break, Midnight Rain is your trailer in seventh. As they roll around the far turn, Dream and Power now by a half a length. To the outside, second, ML Cool Girl going for a drive. Back to the inside, Mystical Lady is there in third. As they reach the quarter-mile station, opening quarter was in 37 seconds. And Dream and Power has led from the outset by a length and a half. To the outside now, surging. Here comes ML Cool Girl. And ML Cool Girl throttles up to take the band. Back to the inside, Dream and Power is there in second. And then comes Mystical Lady in third, followed by Charlie Superman to the inside fourth. Out of the final turn, ML Cool Girl to the outside, Dream and Power. Back to the inside, Mystical Lady. But as they head for home, it is all ML Cool Girl to win it. Dream and Power gets up for second, and a hard-charging MR Captain Treacherous third.